Ever wondered how much of your life is dictated by your own beliefs? It's a thought to ponder, isn't it? You see, we all carry a set of beliefs, consciously or subconsciously, that shape our reality. Some of these beliefs are empowering, driving us towards success, while others, known as limiting beliefs, become self-imposed barriers that stop us from reaching our full potential. Imagine a bird in a cage with the door wide open, yet it chooses not to fly out. That's exactly what limiting beliefs do. They hold us captive in our own minds, preventing us from manifesting our dreams. We create our own cages, and often we don't even realize it. Limiting beliefs are like invisible chains, holding us back, keeping us from soaring high. They're the whispers that tell us we can't when we can, we shouldn't when we should, and we won't when we will. Indeed, the power of belief can either set you free or hold you back. Consider Jane, a woman who once lived in the shadow of her limiting beliefs. Jane was an average woman with extraordinary dreams. She wanted to own a successful business. But her beliefs about her abilities and her worth held her back. Jane believed she wasn't smart enough, not rich enough, not good enough to achieve her dreams. These beliefs were like heavy chains, limiting her potential and keeping her stuck in one place. One day, Jane had a realization. She saw how these beliefs were standing in her way, acting like invisible barriers, preventing her from moving towards her dreams. She understood that these limiting beliefs were not facts, but merely perceptions she had adopted over time. Jane decided it was time to change her mindset, to break free from the chains of her limiting beliefs. And so, she embarked on a journey of transformation. Jane began to challenge her limiting beliefs. She replaced them with empowering affirmations. "I'm smart enough. I am rich in potential. I am good enough," she would tell herself. She practiced this daily, making it a habit, a part of her routine, and slowly she noticed a shift within herself. She began to feel more confident, more capable, more deserving of success. With her newfound beliefs, Jane started to manifest her dreams. She took steps towards starting her business. She faced challenges, of course, but she didn't let them deter her. She persisted, believing in her abilities, believing in her worth. And eventually, her dreams turned into reality. Jane became the proud owner of a successful business. It was Jane's decision to confront her beliefs that paved the way for her success. She taught us all a valuable lesson that our beliefs, when challenged and replaced with positive affirmations, can lead to extraordinary manifestations. So, let's take a leaf out of Jane's book. Let's challenge our limiting beliefs. Let's adopt empowering affirmations, and let's manifest our dreams. What can we learn from Jane's journey? Let's take a moment to reflect on the key insights we've unearthed from Jane's manifestation adventure. As we delve into the heart of it, we're brought face to face with the profound power of beliefs. These aren't just ephemeral wisps of thought, quite the contrary. Beliefs are the architects of our reality, the unseen hands that shape and mold our lives. Like Jane, many of us are held captive by limiting beliefs. These are the silent saboteurs, the invisible chains that anchor us to a reality far beneath our potential. They whisper in our ears that we aren't good enough, that we don't deserve success, that our dreams are too grand for our grasp. But remember, these beliefs aren't the unshakable truths we often mistake them for. They are merely thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. Recognizing these limiting beliefs is the first step towards liberation. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, the obstacles that were tripping us up become visible. It's not enough to just see them, though. We must confront them, challenge them, and ultimately replace them with empowering beliefs that serve our higher purpose. And this is where the magic begins. Once we've broken free from these self-imposed shackles, the path to manifestation becomes clear. Our dreams are no longer distant mirages, but achievable realities within our reach. Just like Jane, we can begin to manifest the life we've always envisioned for ourselves. The key takeaway is this: our beliefs are powerful tools. They can either build us a prison or pave the way to our dreams. It's up to us to choose which. But once we've made that choice, once we've decided to break free from limiting beliefs, the world becomes our canvas, and we become the artists, capable of creating our masterpiece. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is your belief that it's possible. Break free and manifest your dreams today.